In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Stripe following a simple and straightforward tutorial for 2025. For anyone using Stripe, whether it's for your business or personal transactions, adapting the platform to your preferred language can greatly enhance your user experience. So let's dive right in and explore how you can switch the language settings in your Stripe dashboard with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Stripe homepage. This is your starting point for accessing various settings, including language adjustments. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to your profile area. This is typically accessible from the top right corner of the dashboard. If you're unsure, look for your profile icon or your name. Clicking on this will take you directly to your profile settings. The next step is to select Profile Settings. This section of your account holds all the personal configurations you can customize, including not only language preferences, but also any other variables you may want to adjust. Once you're in the Profile Settings area, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any additional features you might find useful later on. Stripe often updates its interface to enhance user experience, so new options are always a possibility. Now, let's focus on changing the language. Look for the current language selection, which might be set to English Canada by default, or another region if you've updated it previously. This option is usually easily recognizable and positioned in the Profile Settings overview. Clicking on the language option will reveal a list of available languages. It's important to choose the one that best suits your needs, so take your time to scroll and find the perfect match for you. Once you've selected your preferred language, you're almost done. The last key step is to make sure you save these changes. There should be a save button nearby, often highlighted to ensure you don't miss it. Click on it to confirm your new language settings. Saving these adjustments will likely refresh your dashboard automatically, allowing you to see the changes immediately. And there you have it. That's how you change the language in Stripe for 2025. With these simple steps, you can tailor your Stripe environment to better suit your personal or business requirements. As always, remember that keeping your account settings up to date can greatly improve the efficiency of the tools you use daily. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe support or visit their help center for more detailed guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly customized Stripe experience.